freeloader assets. Ka-ching!
Who the hell are you?
Oh, I'm just a freeloader because it's open for everyone.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh, hello there.
Hi.
What are you doing there, guys?
Guys, I'm one guy. Oh, you talking to everybody?
Yeah, to everybody.
Oh,
because
hello.
I already know you, Colin. Hello, guys. I'm Martin. I am from Poland, and I'm visiting Japan the third time. So, as they say, 3 times is enough, and that's the moment I will be looking for my house.
It's called Three's a Charm.
Ah, that's exactly the point.
Yes.
And the 3 is the lucky number for Colin, so we are looking for something to live in later on. So I will be visiting together with Colin some of properties
Yes.
in a completely different area, but today we are in Colin's garden next to the legendary man cave.
It's the man cave, and we're open for business. You want to come in and see the rest of it? Come on in. Still got a lot of work here, but we're getting there. Welcome.
So,
what do you think?
That's the legendary man cave's garden, but everybody thinks that it's much smaller than it is.
Nobody thinks it's small.
But
Everybody thinks it's big, but it's much bigger than it appears.
It's huge, guys. When you see it personally, then you notice that it's really, really huge, especially in Tokyo area or Saitama area.
Yes.
This one could host, as you see, 1, 2, 3, at least 3 houses could stand in this
Yeah, well,
place.
there's
So,
one big one over there, and then there's this one and this one. I've got 3.
yeah,
3 or 4 houses
I
right
would
here
say
alone.
that, at this part
Yes.
of garden could stand at least 2 or 3 houses.
Yes.
At least from Japanese perspective and
Yes.
building standards in the middle of the cities.
Correct.
And agglomeration areas.
Yeah.
Anyway, this garden that seems big, but not as big as it in reality, because this is huge.
I mean,
you should believe me.
and this is a big boy here, so he can see,
You
right?
already see that I am the one which is really big. And let me show you. If I am as big as I am, and I'm covering
Nothing.
a nice part of your screen already, you could notice that those are huge.
Yes, and I got my wide angle on as well. So,
So you are making me look even bigger. Great.
no, I'm looking you smaller. Jeez, this guy, if I zoomed in, it would look bigger. That's funny. So, what's your plan on this trip?
First of all, we will go to the Kyoto prefecture.
Yes.
Then we will visit some places.
Yes.
Especially the city that I am most interested in now, which is Fukuchiyama, which I will introduce to you on my second channel, my channel, and probably a little bit of introduction for Colin's channel too. And we will be visiting at least 3, maybe 4 properties. We have some listed already, and we will see what happened.
Yeah. How long did we spend going over these properties together?
That's a great question, because we have already invested about a half year. Of course, not every day, not always together, but we have been in touch about 7 or 8 months. It also connected with my reaching out to you, Colin.
Yes.
Which I made maybe a little bit prematurely, but I wanted to prepare in advance. Then we visited the first one during the January, which will be covered in separate video, because its story itself, which is connected with the whole Akiya thing, Akiya banks, and the difficulties that you could face during the process. And lastly, which is probably the most important, we spent about half year preparing for current mission that
Yes.
will be finally getting the one.
How long were our longest conversations usually?
We like to talk to each other, so it about 5 hours each time. The longest one was almost 6 hours or something.
Yeah.
I don't exactly check the time because it's
We
perfect talk each other.
We just know the sun was down and the sun was up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That's fun.
Especially that it's covered almost whole night in both of time zones, so you
Yeah.
could expect that
Yeah.
we like to talk to each other.
Yes. That's funny. All right. So from this point on, we're going to go check out your house in Fukushima, and you hope to get at least one house. You
Yes.
hope to get a house. That's your dream,
We
right?
hope to kick the assets.
Sorry, that's hilarious. That was perfect. I really like that. Smart. You really get the channel, the point of it. I appreciate that. You're the first person I've actually had stay with me. I've offered a few people, but
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I always, if I trust you enough, I'll let you stay in my place. And how long you plan on staying with me for?
Oh, probably for a month.
Wow. Gee, nice guy I am, huh? Free housing. Are you homeless?
Currently, I'm homeless.
Yeah.
I'm Japanese homeless as the other people who have a most expensive backpack you can imagine and walking around pretending to be homeless. So
Should I put
homeless.
Should I put homeless in my clickbait title?
You could put the I pick up the homeless Polish guy from Tokyo area and put him into my man cave.
Hey, I might get some views with that.
Another clickbait name for your channel that you could use in the title could be I found a homeless Polish plumber. I'm putting him in backside for future renovations.
Hey, you got some good ideas over there. Would you like some fruit? I got strawberries over there.
I was going to steal your suikas.
My watermelons are over here, buddy.
Yeah.
But it's not the season yet. I got strawberries coming out over there, and I got raspberries over there if you want to try some.
I will be sitting here and waiting for the suikas.
Okay, well that'll be
I want the watermelons.
that'll be in August. Cool. Is there anything else you'd like to say before we get on this journey?
Oh, I don't think so. That's pretty much everything, and we still have so much fun during the road.
Yeah, you must be pretty excited.
Yeah, I love the area, so I want to find some place to stay there and become not the homeless one, but the home owner.
Okay. Please make a pose for me.
What pose? What are you supposed to?
Like for the thumbnails and the my garden.
Ah, okay.
Well, which angle would you like to have?
I don't know what angle are you expecting. Which
Why don't you stand in front of here then? We block
direction?
that off. Okay, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah, we get as much as there.
You want me to block it more?
There we go. That's perfect. You can do a bunch of different things.
I'm joking.
Make the funny face.
No. You won't get any funny faces from me.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. What's a good pose? What's a Polish pose when you're thinking? Naruhodo. I like that.
That's my pose, that's not the Polish pose.
Okay.
The Polish pose would be having the shower and doing some work.
That's a good idea. Wow. I like that.
Do you want to be considered as a illegal employment and slavery type of business?
You offered. Jeez. Oh, can you do me a favor? Welcome to my house, by the way. My other house, my main house. And you see the cats ran away. Two of them, and they were guarding. Like they sensed you coming.
Welcome.
He got to ride my e-bike.
Great.
You like that?
Yes, very much. It was a real change of life.
Yeah. He joined Steve. Two big guys riding my bike, and that's the other bike I have here. Gozaimasu. 今もビデオ撮ってる。Marchin's first food in Japan is chili Fries and tacos. Welcome. You
And
think we're in
this-
Mexico?
And this is my second taco in life.
Really? Well, taco rice is from Okinawa, so yay. Sweet. Hey, it's my garden, huh?
Much bigger than YouTube.
Bigger than YouTube? You impressed? Welcome, Marcin. My first client to actually stay at my house. That's crazy.
I feel proud.
The adventure begins. Are you ready?
Pretty much.
Yeah. First bus from my house to the station. Then we'll take the train down to Shinagawa. Then we'll take the bullet train over to Kyoto.
And the last one to Fukuyama.
That's correct, sir. How long is it going to take us?
About 4 hours, 4.5.
4.5. There we go. Yippee-ki-yay, mofos. Here we are. The train too.
Still 2 to go.
Shinagawa. We're on our way to Shinagawa. Yay. To catch the bullet train. Here we are getting on the bullet train. We're on the bullet train. This is part 3. Hi. Here we are on the bullet train. Fortunately, it's cloudy out there. Here's the Kyoto. Kyoto. Perfect cherry. Look at that. Makes me not want to eat it. We're on the bullet train. Yes. Where are we going?
We're going to my house.
Where?
Fukuyama.
Fukushima. So, came from my house by bus. Took the train down to Shinagawa.
It's the second train.
And this is on the bullet train now. Yes, we woke up at like 5:30 a.m. He's happy.
Previously make a rest stop at Kyoto. The doors on the left side will open. Please watch your step when you get on the train.
Alright, here we are. About to board train number 31. Oh, it's like another bullet train. Here she blows.31番ですね。これ、席決まってるんですか？
これ全車、1号車なので、一番前ですね。
一番前、遠いね。行かないでね、まだ。Okay, we gotta go to the very, 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 very front of the train. Tight squeeze on this line, isn't it, folks? We're literally bumping against everything. Oh. Could you have a house near the train line like this? I couldn't. It's too tight, too noisy. Yeah. The worst place to have a house is between 2 train stations, very in the middle, right next to the tracks. Most noise, but not even close to the station.
Yeah.
Like, what a waste. But yet somehow they built houses, or they just built the train tracks through the houses. Look at how tight some of those houses are. Jeez.
It's hard to discuss if the houses were first or the train.
I'm guessing the houses were first.
At least,
Or at least the land
At least
was.
the historical one.
Yeah, the land was. I mean, it's a good place to build government housing
Okay.
because it's cheap. You can't complain.
Yeah,
Free
okay.
housing. But personal properties? Yeah. Interesting.
Well, the as we are currently going outside of Kyoto, into middle of Kyoto Prefecture, we will see more and more beautiful landscapes with
That's
no
correct.
people at all. So
Speed opposite.
perfect location to run away from the crowds,
Yeah.
especially Kyoto crowds, which terribly polluted the area of
Too many.
Arashiyama. We just passed them.
Yeah, we just passed a bunch of them as you're saying that.
Yep.
That's funny.
And
Okay. Here we are.
And you have the standard landscape. This is Kamauka. If I think correctly, that will be probably Kamauka.
Mocha.
The closest city to from this station and this city, you get the train by the most landscape part, this touristic train that is big lines assigned from Kyoto.
Yeah.
And you can come here and avoid the whole hustle and bustle and just take the same train on the other side. This line, but going to festival to Maizuru, and later on changing this line to Tottori one, are probably the one of the most beautiful landscapes you can.
Those trees. So tall. Skinny. Well, we came on this train here. Here we are in the middle of buttfuck nowhere. Oh, sorry, Fukuchiyama.
まもなく4番乗り場に回送電車が参ります。危ないですから黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。
Welcome to your new home. Hopefully. Gentlemen first.
That's our second approach, so we have to.
Yes. Ah, second approach. Yes.
We have to hit the button.
Second approach. I wonder whose fault that is.
The system, probably.
Yeah. All right.
That's this legendary Akiya banks that are easy and so easy to get.
Yes. Very easy to get.
And they are so communicative.
Yes. Let's go make some videos on that.
Even with translator.
Yep. Oh well. Here we go. Round 2.
So if you believe in all this, Akiya banks are easy and Akiya are easy to get.
What do you say in what do you call that in Polish? Is it bullshitski or something or?
There's bullshit is in Polish. Gówno prawda.
Okay. So you don't say bullshinsky. Okay. All right. What he's trying to say is those videos are full of shit. Thanks. All right.
That's exactly what I said in Polish.
Okay. Good. All right. Round 2. Yakshamayash. Hi there.
Start one more. Please start one more.
Hi there.
No, I know you will be cutting one.
Yeah.
Could you please start one more time?